Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Bye. In this video you will learn how to grade jeans pants pattern. So watch full video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel, click bell icon for next. So start by grading from size 32 in seam line, quarter inch outside side seam line, thigh line 1 inch, quarter inch plus outside each size, hip 2 inch plus quarter inch plus each side outside for all size, back rise front rise quarter inch plus for all size, hip line outside quarter inch plus all size, thigh line outside quarter inch plus all size, quarter inch minus a small size, quarter inch plus knee line outside quarter inch plus all size, leg opening outside quarter inch plus all size, leg opening inside inseam line quarter inch plus all size, quarter inch minus quarter inch plus quarter inch each size, quarter inch 32, 34, 36, 30, 38, 40, quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Thigh line quarter inch plus quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, 32, base size 34, 36, 38, 30. Hip line quarter inch plus quarter inch plus quarter inch, quarter inch, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Front rise quarter inch plus quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Quarter inch outside plus quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Thigh line outside seam line, thigh side seam line quarter inch plus quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch plus 32, 34, 38, 30, 36, 38, 40. Knee line out seam side quarter inch plus quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, 32 base size 34, 36, 38, 40. Leg opening side seam side quarter inch plus quarter inch plus quarter inch plus quarter inch plus base size 32, 36, 34, 32, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Now I move at inseam line, leg opening to inseam line, mark for 34 size, knee to cross thigh cross point 34 size, front cross point to hip line, marking for 34 size, 34 size, waistline drawing, waist quarter inch plus quarter inch plus quarter inch plus 34, 36, 38, 40 size, quarter inch plus for 34, half inch plus for 36, 3/4 plus for 38, 1 inch plus for 40 size, 34 size waistline, 36 size waistline, 38 size waistline, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 34 front rise line, 36 front rise and waistline. Head drawing front rise line size by size. 40 size front rise and waistline. Drawing in seam line size by size. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel. quarter inch plus for big size at inseam line, thigh point, hip point, front rise and front waist point, side seam line at knee, leg opening, thigh point, hip point, front waist point, quarter inch minus for 30 size inseam line, size front rise line, 30 size front waist line, quarter inch minus 4 of 32, inseam same grading at side seam line. Front part grading finish size by size. Now I will trace and make for separate pieces by roulette. Wash and thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 6 sides separate part, front part making for cutting pattern and front part grading finish. Now I make back part similar way, outside plus quarter inch, inseam line, out seam line, quarter inch plus for big size, hip line, thigh line, all outside quarter inch plus for big size, on rise quarter inch plus for big size, same rise way, rise line, hip line, thigh line, knee line, leg opening line and out seam line plus quarter inch plus minus back front part, back part same way grading. Your back part grading finish 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, quarter inch plus same as a front outside for big size, knee, thigh, hip, back rise, waist, back rise area, hip area outside quarter inch plus for big size, thigh point quarter inch plus for big size, point at inseam line quarter inch plus for big size, leg opening outside quarter inch plus for big size, side quarter inch plus for big size, quarter inch minus for a small size. Bag hook grading same, bag hook height all sides same, bag hook length same as grading, back waist, hip waist same quarter inch plus for big size, quarter inch minus plus for big size, quarter inch minus for a small size, same waistband grading. Make copy like this way for size by size. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click on icon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Review size by size grading, back part size by size grading in manual. Same method follow for CAD computer, digital computer grading and CAD grading system. Quarter inch plus outside front part size by size grading same way follow for computer grading. If you want computer grading, before computer grading you may sure manual grading. Front part pocket opening, front waist line, front rise line, inseam line, out seam line. Now waistband 2 part 2 inch grading divided by 2 side, up 1 inch, half inch center back side, center front side, half inch plus for big side, center front and center back, 34, 36, 38, 40, half inch less for 30 size, half inch minus for 30 size, half inch plus for 34, half inch plus for 36, half inch plus for 38, half inch plus for 40, 40 size, 38, 36, 34, 32, base size, 30 size. Waistband grading, the back side, half inch plus for big size, half inch minus for half inch plus for big size, half inch minus for small at center front area. Waistband grading finish. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video. Press the bell icon button for next